Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome to our online teaching session. I am your English teacher Shahina Miss, as you all know. So, today we are going to learn a very interesting poem from your English textbook. Before starting the poem, I just want to give you some information. Okay, you can see a picture on your screen. There is a boy and he is having question mark on up onto the head. So same, every child is having lots of question in their mind. You all are asking questions to your father, mother, teacher every day. You are having lots of questions in your mind. Yes, very good. And that is the reason the childs are very curious to know the answer to their question. So we are having a poem, that is poem number 17, Curiosity. In this poem there is a small boy who wants to know the answer of his question by the from the grown-ups. He is telling question and he wants the answer from the grown-ups. He is telling that grown-up knows, so they will tell me the answer. Okay, so let us start with the poem number 17, that is Curiosity. Let's know. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me everything. In this stanza, a curious child has many questions and wants to know everything. The child wants to know what it is that makes it winter and then spring, which are the young ones of the butterflies. Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? The child requests someone to tell him everything because the child don't know the answer of his question. Now in the second stanza, tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbit wobble their noses just from habits? Where does the wind when it goes away go? Tell me, or don't even grown ups know? Now, in this second stanza, the child wants to know everything. The child once again insists that someone tell him what he wants to know. He wonder what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Why do goldfishes keep chewing? Why do rabbits twitch their noses? Is it just from habit? And where does the wind go when it goes away? The child asks the rabbit to tell him. Okay, now let us recite the poem. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me, please everything. Tell me. I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Why do goldfishes keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses just from habit? Where does the bird wind when it goes away go? Tell me, or don't even grown ups know? Now we will see the hard words. Curiosity, a strong desire to know about something. Number 2, verbal, twitch or wiggle very fast. Number 3, children butterflies, young ones of butterflies. Sorry. Now we will see the rhyming words. Keep, sleep, rabbit, habit, know, grow, string, everything.